So, taking a break from the big ones, here is a leveler, I believe they're called. Quite rusty. Let's see if we can bring it back to life. And I still don't have a good setup here, so yeah. See you in a bit. So after you disassembled everything, it's time to steel wire brush it. Focus. Just using a Dremel. And if that doesn't work, where did I put it? If the Dremel doesn't work, we're going with the big boy. So this is the result after the steel wire brushing and my just figure out how to do it way. How it looks like. Now of course it's not gonna look like this when we put it together back again. But yeah. After a good amount of steel wire brushing. Now I don't have any paint. So this is gonna look exactly like this. This one's done. Shoot. Did the nuts here as well. I just used the multi-tool to hold on to them. Okay. So, I put the blade on a magnet. Let's see. There you go. With a piece of painter's tape underneath. And now we're gonna use the belt sander to hopefully give it a nice polish. It's 80 grit on both sides. So let's see what we can do. I got a pretty good finish on the blade. It's pretty hot to touch, so I'm gonna use per tongue to take it off with. Put it on here to cool it off. Let's get this painter's tape off. The tape is only so I can protect the blade from the actual magnet. And you can still see just fine. Now the blade is hot, which is why I'm putting it in here to hopefully cool it down. And I actually was able to get a name, which I'll show you when we go back inside. So that's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna try to, actually I'm gonna need the magnet again. Because I'm gonna use, yeah, you can see that. I'm gonna use the disc sanding part of it. I'm actually gonna turn the sander around to make it easy for me. Take this one off, I don't need that one. But I found that this gives a more mirror. Yeah, this gives a more mirror finish. It's gonna look more nice. Now the reason I'm looking at my watch is because I'm using my watch to see what you guys can see. Thanks to Apple, so I can use that. So I can continue to make sure that you see what I'm doing. Otherwise, what's the point then? Just clean out some metal dust. Don't have to vacuum clean out here yet, but we will. Okay. It's kind of shitty painter's tape, but whatever. It does the job. Yep. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now the blade does get hot pretty fast because it's thin. And, well, it's not as fast. Creates a lot of heat. But yeah, we got pretty good finish on. Okay, let's get this cleaned up. Okay, so put this back, otherwise my wife's gonna kill me. Since she did just spend a lot of time cleaning up the workshop, which I really appreciate, because frankly, it looked like shit. Guess I'm terrible at cleaning up after myself when I work. Where to put this? Something like here. Okay. Let me give you a better view on what I'm looking at here. let's get this. That was here. Somehow. There we go. Okay. So this is the blade as it looks like now. As you can see, much nicer. The edge of course still looks like crap, but we'll do that inside. And it is made in England, tungsten steel. Pretty cool. Okay, see you back inside. Okay guys, sorry about the bad angle. I don't have a video set up, so I gotta use what I have, and I'm sorry the angle is a little off. So, as you can see, hopefully you can see, the edge doesn't look very good. So I'm gonna use technically a whetstone, but I am too lazy to get any water, so I'm just gonna do this dry. I'm gonna see if we can get the edge back up looking somewhat pretty again. That's all whetstone users. Don't kill me for this. Gonna go to a little bit of a rougher side, because as I said in other videos, I am impatient as shit. I gotta need to. Of course you should always do this with stone that's clamped down. See if I can do this. There we go, now you can better see what I'm doing. You know what? We got the edge far enough that I can use the other kit. So let's put this whetstone away. And use my Lansky kit. Okay. This here is 600 grit. I'm gonna see if I can use just that. If not, we'll go one down to come back up. when it's this small, I have to use it like this. Okay, let's see what we can find. I like to use wet wipes, both because it cleans what I'm working on and it cleans myself at the same time. Well, the edge looks a heck of a lot better. I can tell you that already. It feels sharp. Cool. Okay. So let me see if I can show you what we've got so far. Okay, it's time to reassemble this one. And I would need the flathead. So, kind of funny, I'm using my granddad's tool to assemble one of his I just restored. Well, you learn something new every day. That's how you do it. Cool. Okay. Cool, so I got it. Wait a minute, this does not look right. I think I got it upside down. Guess it's now I should tell you guys that I don't really have any experience with these levelers. I do like the system though, but yeah. I got it on upside down. I can see that now. So, it goes in like this. And again, I'm also still new in the whole restoration business, so I do know that's not something that you should say when you do these things, but heck, I like being open. If I'm not open, then what's the point of learning? Nah, don't do that. Okay. That looks like it's supposed to. Yeah, that looks right. Hang on. Okay, can't do that. One leveler. Finished. Let me give you some better shots in there. And now we got the brand on as well. Record made in England. Tungsten. Steel. Cool. Sorry about that. Thanks for following, guys. Bye bye.